What's going on, guys? This is part 3 of the Etsy research videos that I'm currently doing. Ask yourself, why is researching Etsy important before you start? To answer that, we have to look at online marketing in general. And the fact is that the majority of people fail with online marketing. I jumped into Etsy and tried to sell wall art, and I simply struggle with getting views. So there is a lot of questions. Is the SEO the problem? Do I have too few items in my store? Do I need much of social media accounts pointing to my store? All these questions and all the things that you think that you need, but you're not sure of it, will make it much harder to reach success. So what I do is scan Etsy from Google, and I position the scanning data from a beginner's perspective. So in part 3, I will present the result that I have been collecting so far. So it is just basic information, and I really hope that this is easy to understand. If it is not, then leave a comment and ask me what you didn't understand, and I will try to explain. Before we dive into this video, I want to make a short introduction about me. My name is Anders Larsson, and I'm an online marketer from Sweden. I began my journey as an YouTube influencer over 3 years ago, and during that time I have learned so much. So I'm sharing my secrets and my gold nuggets in my videos. And 2 of these secrets I will reveal at the end of this video. And this is how you can scale up traffic to your YouTube channel, but also other social media sites and blogs and websites. But that will be at the end of this video. And now I will dive into part number 3 in the Etsy research series that I'm doing. So here we have a guy looking at Etsy with a magnifying glass, and it's not a psychopath, even if it looks like one. Don't judge a person by the look. So in the previous video, I spoke about searching sites on Etsy by using the site : command or keyword, and then the domain etsy.com, and then a footprint. The footprint is the date Etsy added the listing. The search results points to different pages, and then I scan only Etsy sellers that are in the beginning of their journey and have nothing sold yet, because this is the reality new sellers will face when they get started. Here I have the tool that I use to scan Etsy, and I have created another tool to collect sellers that has nothing sold, and this report tool that is not finished yet, it will scan all the sellers that have something sold during the time when I first scan them. So I have just created this script, and we can see that it will scan, and it scans slowly so that I don't disturb Etsy too much. So I will have this script working for a while, and I will report back if I see someone that has sold something. So here we have a guy that sold something, and she is selling chocolate. I can't figure out what item was sold, but I can see one parameter that could be interesting, and that is if it is handmade or digital. We can also collect the categories and see what categories works best. Let's assume that Etsy has a search algorithm setting that when someone has something sold, it will rank higher in the search engine. That would mean that we can check that by measuring the time between the first sale and the second sale, and then create an average. I know that sounds really complicated. So let's say we measure between July 1st and July 31. Now we check all people that has something sold, and the dates will be different. So all these dots are people that have something sold, and each line is a seller. And now we measure the time until the second sale. And then we take an average of all the time periods, and we can then figure out how long time it will take in general to go from the first sale to the second sale. Imagine now that we have 0 sales, 1 sale, and 2 sales. And here we have when the list was first created. So it took a couple of days, and then he or she got 1 sold, and then 1 or 2 days between the second item was sold. It could also be that it took 1 or 2 weeks until something was sold, and then the next day a second product was sold. Now this time and this time should be much longer than these times. But how much longer? How much will it help if, for example, a friend buy one product in order to boost the search result? This is real data, and it is unfortunate that influencers copy from each other the tricks and the techniques without having real data to back it up. And I want to change that. I want to be the one that present you with real information. I don't know if I'm wasting my time doing this, but you can show me that you think this is important as well by clicking the like button or subscribe to my channel. So now we are coming to the end of this video, and I will share my 2 secrets. The first secret is really simple. Use domains. You can see that I list domains in all my recent videos, and it is really simple. People search domains. Let's say they search for smore.com, and you can see that I'm listed on the second spot. Now, should we remove the .com, then I'm gone. So that was the first secret. The second secret is to tell in the beginning of your video that you are going to reveal your best secrets at the end of the video. Because when people click on your videos, they can be restless and unfocused. So they can easily click something else that looks more interesting. Maybe it has a better thumbnail or a more interesting title. But when you tell them that you have secrets or gold nuggets, they will pay attention, and it will be worth their time to listen what I have to say, because they know that I'm going to share something really valuable at the end of the video, and this will increase the watch time. When I started 6th of September last year, the traffic has just kept on scaling up, and then somewhere between, I think, April and June, I didn't upload anything. But then the traffic kept on scaling up, and I believe that is thanks to that I share the secrets at the end of the video. So take my secrets and apply them yourself, and you will notice that this really works. After that, you need to make sure that you add your affiliate program or your sales funnel, simply the product that will make you money. And I really recommend the high-ticket affiliate program that I'm using, that is Legendary Marketer, because when you use high-ticket and some of your visitors may already have some success online and they will take their business to the next level, this means that they are ready to invest in a high-ticket program. This means that when they do, you will get a $1,000 commission. It doesn't happen often, but when it does, it will be well worth all the time that you spend creating videos. So I really can't stress enough how important that is. So click this link in the description to take a look at the program if you want. Anyway, we are at the absolute end of this video, and I thank you for spending a little bit of your time watching this video. I really hope that you got some value from it. If you learned something important, then why not click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Click the bell notification as well, so that you don't miss any of my new videos that I will be releasing. So take care, and I see you in my next video. Bye bye.